a video on that bit of feta that I turned into a hard cheese. So it's been in the fridge for about a week, and it looks like it's kind of maturing a little bit, but it's still alright. So I was wondering what I could do with it, and maybe thinking about doing something more with it in the future. Not that bit, but make some more. So I was thinking we could, I want to see if it works in polenta. So let's make some polenta, and then we'll pour the cheese in, and then we'll kind of see what happens. I normally put butter in with polenta as well, but I just want to see how it turns out. It's a bit lumpy, isn't it? But I just want to see how it turns out with just the cheese and not the butter. So I don't want that. The butter makes it taste delicious. I think it needs a bit more polenta than that. The butter makes it taste delicious, but I just want to kind of see what the cheese tastes like. That's kind of what I'm saying. So just need a little bit more polenta than that. It's a bit soft. I've been cooking some carrots in with that water because I was doing something else with it. That's a bit better. Right, so I'm not entirely sure how much cheese I'm putting in, but I'm putting in that much to start off with. And if it melts, it melts. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I was just kind of quite curious. And if it carries on, if I can do something with it, and kind of mature it a little bit longer in the fridge, wrapped up in some cheesecloth, and maybe it could go like a proper hard cheese. So let's give that a taste. A spoon, which I've never got. It's alright, needs more cheese though. Needs more cheese. I'm trying not to make a mess. With my chopping board, turn that off. Nope, it's still cooking on the bottom. So if it melts like a hard cheese, it might mature like a hard cheese. So as always, purely self-indulgent and working things out as I go along, and not wanting to waste this bit of kind of cheese that I made, which is now falling to bits. But anyway, so a bit on the floor, it doesn't matter. So that and that, that and that. It'd be better off with some butter in it, but I haven't got any butter. That's about enough cheese that I want to put in. Fine, that can be waste. And what we've got, let's have a look at it. That's alright. That's alright. As long as it doesn't taste like feta, it'll probably be good. No, not fingers. Use a spoon. There we go. That works. So that polenta with that works. So that's fine. So I can definitely gives me the go ahead to think about doing something more with those curds from the feta that I cooked.